Today we will attempt to predict the absenteeism at work using Python. We will use the machine learning data set provided by the University of California. You can download the zip file by clicking the data folder hyperlink next to the word download. The file contains 21 columns. We have excluded the ID column. The last column is the target column. In the Python compiler, import the pandas library. Read the CSV file by providing the file location and name. You can print the content of CSV file to make sure that it has been loaded properly. Define a variable x. This variable will hold all the independent columns. These are the first 19 columns. Make sure to convert the data to an array. Originally, the data is in the form of a data frame. Define a variable y. This variable will hold the target column, which is the absenteeism time in hours. Convert this data frame to an array as well. Import the train test split library from scikit-learn. We will use this library to split the X and Y arrays into training and testing data. We will keep 20% of data for testing. This data will not be provided to the model for training. Split the X and Y variables into 80% and 20% for training and testing purposes. We will use randomforest classifier for the classification of this data. Import the randomforest classifier from scikit-learn library. Define the randomforest classifier model. Now train the model, using training data, which is the 80% of the CSV file. Model can be trained, using training.fit method. To see if the training was successful, print the score based on training data. Console shows a 97% accuracy, which is very high for such a simple model and such complex data. Let's print the score, based on test data, the 20% which was never fed to the model. Just as suspected, the result is 46% accuracy, which is very low. Now we have two options. Either keep writing code, and create a lengthy complicated model, or make minor changes in the data for learning purposes, and see what happens. One way is to convert the target column into ranges. Target column has minimum value of 0, and maximum value of 120. Let's group these values into 12 ranges, each covering 10 hours. So here, 10 means less than 10 hours, 20 means 10 to 20 hours, and so on. Let's assign these values to the existing absenteeism time in hour, using VLOOKUP function. This revised column is our new target column. It won't be exact prediction, but we can at least predict the absentee time with close approximation. Use the revised column in the model, and run the code again. Look at that, our model scored above 90%, using both training data and testing data. Please feel free to ask any question, or leave feedback, in the comment section.